Oklahoma Joe Slots, and we are at High Winds Casino, and we are going to play some Neptune on the old school here. Let me get my cord enter out of the way. I think it's going to stay. We got 9 diamonds, so that's why I thought I'd go ahead and try this one. We'll see how it works. We're going to do our 20 longs. And for our quarters, we're going to do $10 bets. And let's see what happens. That was a good start. That was a good hit. Dak just brought me some Diet Dr. Pepper. Can you hold on to it for me, babe? Thank you.
That's a good start.
Yep. All right. 324 quarters.
Are you betting 20?
I'm betting $10.
That's right. Go red.
Go red. Come on.
You know, when I say go red, it's supposed to go red.
I know, right?
It's supposed to listen. I don't understand why that doesn't work.
Sometimes it does. Sometimes it doesn't. Go red.
There's a red.
Eyes.
Let's go all day. All day long.
Eyes again. We need to get off eyes. We need something else. And eyes. 292 quarters. So a little over $50.
Right here.
Right.
Okay, I lied.
I didn't think it would. Come on now. All right, we got the diamond.
You're gonna win $1 million.
We're on a $10 bet. I gotta take a drink of my Diet Dr. Pepper. Not a sponsor.
Pick the shiniest ones.
Excuse me. I did not mean to burp in that. I am so sorry. I drunk that down the wrong pipe. That was rude. We want one of those. No! 984. That's still pretty good though. 1,000 is $250, so I mean we're just under that. Was that 245 maybe? Yeah, cause 20 quarters is $5, so $245. Nice little hit. Now let's see if it's got a bunch of life in it, because a lot of times after you get the diamond, for the first few spins, they have a tendency to do something, but not always, but come on, right here. That was a good bingo card, but we didn't get nothing out of it. Money back.
$10 exactly.
Go red? No. I was hoping. Alright, back down to $1,000. Go red right here.
Yes, that's a red. What we got over there?
Letter Y. Yeah, 176. Puttered out pretty fast. That's a pretty good hit there. 564. It's like $150. on, Neptune.
Right here.
I thought maybe it might, but it didn't. Good card, maybe. No. This might. No, just buttons. I thought, sure, it might go.
The Step Brothers, the one that they made the song Boats and Hoes.
Yes, boats and hoes.
This is what I think of every time, is Boats and Hoes.
Yeah. That's a funny movie. It's definitely crazy. Go red? No.
Oh no, here we go. It's gonna get crazy.
For a few spins.
Why can't I just go?
Just need one good hit here. That's all we need. Come on. Good card. Come on, do it. Didn't do it. Uh-oh. Come on now. Here we go. Come on. This is a good card.
Now I see why I lost my $100.
Didn't get nothing. This one you played?
I play this one.
Right here.
There's a red.
Alright, we got eyes. Eyes. It's not going to be much, guys, I don't think. Eyes. Come on, get off of eyes. Right here. Get off of it. Eyes again.
There's eye
$100 though. We didn't get over $100. Good card, good card. Nothing for it. Well,
right here.
yeah.
Right here.
Dog bone. Open diamond. Just wasn't enough up there to keep it going. Step ladder.
Maybe you should max put it on dimes.
We'll try it.
Oh, you got a dime.
Well, that don't do me much good at the moment.
What do I know? I'm just here to spend your money.
Well, we're not getting very good cards at all on the dimes. We're getting her floating by a lot.
Might be better on the nickels. Oh, come on.
Just need one hit. Right here. Come on. Eyes. Eyes again. Corners. Eyes again. Letter Y. We're at $81 so far. And eyes. $191.
I felt like it should be something.
Corners. Didn't quite get our money back on that. Alright guys, I think we're going to call that one quits here. We're going to find something else to play. Started out strong, should have cashed out. That's the way it goes. So Oklahoma Joe Slots. We'll find something else to play, and we'll see you in a minute.